Hi everyone, thank you so much for joining me today. I greatly appreciate it. I have a little smashed up box here, and this is from FabFitFun, and this is the spring box. So I just literally slit the tape. This came yesterday. Usually they're pretty well decorated on the inside. Nice FabFitFun for spring 2025. These boxes are always awkward because they're big and bulky. I do have my phone. I know what I chose. This time I do remember. We generally do get HelloFresh in our box, a little $10, 10 free meals and 3 surprise gifts. And then we get a win a prize pack. You know, you scratch off and, you know, I generally scratch it off. So what I'm going to do first is let me pull up my phone so I have it. I know what my add-ons were. There were only, I think, 3 add-ons this box. So let me find them. Oh, see one. I am a huge fan of Olaplex, so I use their shampoo, conditioner. I have another product. It might be a serum, like a hair oil, something like that. I'm not really sure. And then I got the volumizing blow dry mist right here. And I paid $14. I think that's what I paid. The next item that I chose and I paid $8 for is one of my favorites, Spongel. I have a couple of these. I love coconut verbena. I have their hand moisturizer, hand cream. I couldn't think of the word. I have their hand soap. I think I might have like a body wash if I'm not mistaken. And these are little like flowers. You can hang it by that. I usually cut that off because that gets nasty in the shower. But I love these. And coconut verbena smells so nice. Like, I think I could use this and I do use it all year round. It says 14 plus uses. I think you can get more than that out of it. So don't think that you can't there. And the next thing, let me see. Oh, right here. Should be in this little pack right here. And let's open it before I tell you what it is. Oh, nice little packaging here. This is from Phase Zero, and this is Hidden Agenda. And this is a makeup powder bronzer. And this was $6. I wanted to try it just to see what I thought. I'm always looking for... Bronzers are tough, I think. You know, you have to get the right tones. You want cool tone, warm tone. It really makes a difference for your, for your skin here. If not, it can look dirty, like muddy and dirty, and nobody wants that for their face. I do have one that I love, but, you know, it gets old after a while. So this is the shade. We'll have to see. It comes with a nice little mirror. Should I swatch it? Maybe I will. It's nice and light. Let's see. And that's just on my skin right there. That might be a little bit light, but won't know until I put it on my face. I mean, obviously my hands could be a different tone because my face does not get the sun where, you know, you get more in your hands and your arms, but I'm happy with those. Let's put her back in the little package here. This way, nothing gets broke. So they were the only 3 add-ons that I chose. I really don't need much this year, if I'm being honest. The first thing that I see is right here. So these are all, no, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So there's 2 freebies, which I didn't see anything of, but I'm fine with. The Dove Advanced Care Dry Spray, you know, like antiperspirant. Love them. I have quite a few of them. They're great for travel. You know, like, oh, I'm out of deodorant. No, you're not. Save those little samples. And then here from Dr. Jart, Ceramidin Skin Barrier Moisturizing Cream. Nice little sample, so I'm happy to have those. First item that I chose is from INH, insert name here, a vent brush. I swear by these when I'm drying my hair. I think I can get some good lift and straightening out of it by using a vent brush. I have paddle brushes and things like that, but my day-to-day brush that I brush my hair with is a vent brush, but it's like half this size. So when you have longer hair, like to give it a good brush, and these are so easy to clean, you know, you can just soak them, you can get all the hair out very easily, and this one feels nice in your hand. So I'm happy to have that. I was going to buy one, and then I saw one as an option, so I was like, well, why not get it in your box? Where am I going to put all this stuff? Right here, maybe. Another item I chose, ironically, because we got Osei in, I think, BoxyCharm, is Ocean Eyes Age Defying Eye Serum. Thank God this was not what was in the BoxyCharm box. So that's what that looks like. Right there. And it's a roller ball for under your eye, so it's going to be cool just to rub it under your eye. So I'm happy to try that. I'm just going to have to put some stuff here. Another item that I was interested in is from Beautology Lab, and this is the Refresh and Vitalize 24 karat gold collagen eye masks. I love a good eye mask. And how many you get in here? 10 pair. So let's just open this up. See what the actual packaging looks like. They're usually foil packs. Yeah. So you get 10 packs. So that's nice. I love eye patches. And you can put eye patches. My girlfriend told me sometimes she puts eye patches here to help. So don't discount that. Also, I have used this many times since I initially tried it, because of my initial for Color Wow was I wasn't thrilled with the shampoo conditioner. I just needed to use it a few times. I do enjoy it very much, and I alternate between Color Wow and Olaplex, but I wanted to try their Curl Flow Etri, and this is a Vital Natural Serum. I mean, my hair is curly. For the most part, when it's curled, that's pretty much just from drying it, and I might just put a few defining curls in, but I'm curious how something like this would work. So I figured get it in a box. The best thing, oh, this is really interesting. From Trina Turk, this is a picture frame. I have some things that are, you know, and it's more about my pups, obviously. Picture of patches. I have one frame that's on my, by my, you know, it's on my headboard. And this is cute because I thought it was pink. Might be. I don't remember. Let me just see if I can take it. I think it was pink. And that, you know, is perfect for girl dogs. Let's see if I can. This is just taped in. Nice and secured, so, you know, it won't break. Yeah, I thought this was pink. Let's see. And this is, you know, not plastic, so I'm glad it's packaged well. Or is it gold? I don't remember. Oh, a pretty gold frame. So it has nice felt on the back, stand-up frame. I love that. Love that. It already has the matting in it. So I can put a nice picture of my sweet little girl in there. Happy to have that. I didn't want to buy one, and I saw that. And then the last item that I chose, and I can probably get rid of the box. Oh, I'm just kicking the dog. She's gotta be right there. It's just fine. Let me take some of this stuff off without breaking anything. Oh. So that hits the floor. So let's keep you away from the frame. Alright, I don't have to take everything off. One of the options was a robe. And this is from Loose Hair. There we go. Who are you from? I don't know. Something in dot. I'm gonna have to, let me see if I can find it on my phone. That's not it. I mean, you have some decent choices. This is from Line and Dot Waffle Knit Robe. I think mine is the small. select small, medium. I'm trying to figure out where the opening is on this at the time. I need the robe that I use, like, getting in and out of the shower. I still love it because it's more like a seersucker material because it's nice and light, especially for the warmer months. And I have to be careful, there's a gel pack in there. So I wanted to try a different one. It won't be long, but that's okay. So a nice robe, long sleeve. It has, oh, just hit my lipstick. Oy. Belt loops, because it does have a belt. I like that it has pockets, so that, you know, if I get out of the shower, it's nice and long, but it's not heavy. It doesn't feel heavy. And then it has the, you know, the belt. So this is like a beige. It's not, you know, cream or anything like that. I don't, could probably tell you, I don't know if I did prices or, I don't think I did. I might have. The Line and Dot Waffle Knit Robe has this robe right here, $78 value. I'm just going by my phone because I did take screenshots. The OC Malibu Ocean Eyes Age Defying Serum is $58. The Color Wow Curl Wow Floetry Vital Natural Serum is worth $30. The Beautology Lab 24 Karat Gold Collagen Eye Mist are $42. What else did I get? The brush is worth $20. I would never pay $20 for that. And I think that's everything, right? I think so. I don't think yeah, I think that, is that everything? The picture frame. Picture frame. The Trina Turk picture frame is worth $38. I would never pay $38 for that either. So not a bad box for me personally. Obviously, you know, I am an annual member, so I choose everything that goes, all 6 customization categories. I get to choose what I want. I know once I make my choice, they usually say for, you know, if you want something else in the category or several items in the category, you pay additional fees, you know, plus $10, plus $15, plus $12. It really just depends on the value of the products. So if I wanted an additional robe in a different size, let's say, as a gift or something like that, I would pay an additional whatever they had there for the amount and so forth. And then add-ons, obviously, you know, we shop add-ons prior to making customization. I can reshop add-ons if I, you know, want after the fact when it opens for seasonal members. So seasonal member, I think you get to customize 3 out of the 6 or maybe 4 out of the 6. I'm not sure. I have not been a seasonal member. That's box to box member for quite a few years now. I am an annual member, and it is the only box that I prepay for the 4 boxes of the year. I know that if anything were to happen and I no longer am doing YouTube, I would still get this box, where I might not get all the other ones. And I trust that this box will still be here. Some of the others, you know, like I trust Ipsy and stuff like that, but so many boxes have gone by the wayside and have closed up. Now, if you had paid in advance, you know, did you have to fight to get your money back? Did you never get your money back and things like that? So, like, who knows, you know, if they go bankrupt, you know, you're kind of, you know, in a pickle there. But this is the only one that I prepay. Everything else I pay month to month. I don't care what kind of deal you offer me. 3 months, okay, that's not horrible, but I still don't even like to do that. So that is my FabFitFun box for spring with the few little add-ons that I did purchase. You know, do you get FabFitFun? I think I do have free boxes that I can send. Not free boxes. The starter boxes, was trying to think what they call. Leave me, you know, a comment if you are interested, and I can let you know what the guidelines are. I know you can never have received a starter box in the past, could never have been a member. They want brand new people to FabFitFun for the starter boxes, because you're only paying shipping. And Oreo is here again bugging me because it's like 12:15 and she usually eats early. around 1. I eat early also. I eat my biggest meals in the afternoon. I don't eat heavy in the evening. It's a lot more time to digest and move around and work it off. And then she usually eats, when I eat. So she starts bugging me at like noon. I'm like, you have a little bit of time yet. I think when we changed the times with daylight savings time, she gets messed up. She's like, wait a second. My stomach is telling me I'm hungry. This is dinner time. And I'm like, no, it's not. We still have an hour. So it's only 12:15. So we have a little bit of time. But, let me know your thoughts. Do you get this box? Are you interested in a starter box? Let me know in the comments. And, I think I did pretty good with things that I want and I will use. Sometimes I pick things to put in giveaways, that really good item, but I don't want it. And I'll pick one item and, give it away. That I don't ever mind doing that. I love to share and, give stuff away. I can't possibly use every single thing that I get each and every month. One face. I can only put so much skincare and makeup on, and, I have enough. I still haven't decluttered my skincare drawers, which I have 2 big drawers, and then like a sample skincare drawer. I need to go through them. I just don't have time. I need to, go through my closet again. I mean, like, the more I keep, I can't put anything else in my closet. I do laundry and I'm like smushing everything to get it in. Well, that, doesn't help. But so I still have some stuff to do. I know it was suggested to me by one of you and you can let me know your thoughts on it, I haven't done one of these in a long time. Like, basically ask me anything and you submit your questions and I would answer. Obviously I'm not going to answer everything, depending on how personal it is. I do try to keep a good bit, of me as my personal life. It's not on social media, but, up to a certain point, I'm willing to answer almost anything. And, if you're interested in a video like that, especially for, anybody that's new, that doesn't really, like, know me or hasn't been here for maybe just, a couple months. And, I'll be more than glad to do a video like that. If you guys want to submit questions, let me know in the comments down below if you would be interested in that, to submit questions and have, like a 10-15 minute video like that. And I'll, put out like a special, I can do a video asking for the questions in that, and then everybody can put their questions in that comment, like on a non-box day or something like that. Like, if I'm posting Monday, Wednesday, Friday, I could put it out on a Tuesday and Thursday and say, leave your questions down below and we'll answer them and do them the following week or something like that. So let me know about that. And I think that's everything for today. I hope you all have a wonderful day. And I'll see you in my next one. Bye for now.